Hello, viewers. We are Team One, and today we are bringing something new into the tech market. You have a small or medium-sized business in Ghana. Are you tired of always lodging customer arrests into one book or even keeping it in your head, thinking you can remember when the time comes? Do you want to make do you want to make running your business easier? Then look no further. Imagine creating professional invoices in 1 second instead of writing them manually. Imagine never forgetting customers who you owe money because the system keeps track of every payment that you make. Imagine sending payments reminders with just one click through WhatsApp messages. We introduce to you InvoicePro. InvoicePro is a business management application designed specifically for small and medium-sized business in Ghana. The application helps business owners create professional invoice, keep track of customers' payments, send payment reminders through WhatsApp messages, and generate VAT summaries that comply with the Ghana Revenue Authority, that is the GRA. Many small businesses still use handwritten invoices or Microsoft Excel to manage their sales. These methods are time-consuming, difficult to organize, and often result in mistakes or loss. Some businesses also struggle to remind customers about overdue payments and prepare tax reports. To solve these challenges, we design and develop InvoicePro Gh as an easy-to-use digital solution that saves time, improve record keeping, and help business operate more efficiently. Today, we will explain the problem, demonstrate the features of the application, and also discuss its benefits and explain why business in Ghana should adopt InvoicePro Gh.
Well, InvoicePro offers several important features that makes business management easier. The first feature is the Ghana Revenue Authority complaint invoicing. The user can create professional invoice that includes all the information required for a business transaction. And this makes the invoice more reliable and acceptable for accounting purposes. So over here, when we look on the dashboard, there's an outstanding receivable, and there's an outstanding receivable, and the VAT for this month is 1,800 Ghana cedis. So whose invoice is this? Let's go and check. The invoice here is to Leonora, and then the date due is 30th July 2026. But then what did the person buy? The person bought 6 buckets of paint, which is 2,000 Ghana cedis each. So the subtotal over here will be 2,000 Ghana cedis. But including the NHIL, the Get Fund levy, and then the value added tax, everything is going to be 14,400. So this is the first feature we have on the InvoicePro. The second feature is the receivable tracking. The application records every invoice issued and monitors where the customer have paid or still owed money. This helps the business owner avoid getting outstanding payments. When you go back to the dashboard, you can see that the outstanding receivable is 14,400. That means the customer has not paid. And then the overdue amount is 0 because the customer's invoice is due 30th July and it's not 30th July. So that is going to the third feature is a WhatsApp payment reminder. So the third feature is a WhatsApp payment reminder. So instead of calling the customer, there's a feature over here. Instead of calling the customers one by one, there's a feature over here that allows you to send a WhatsApp reminder to the person. Instead of calling them and improves the communication and then makes things easier and faster. You understand? So this feature is where you send a WhatsApp payment. You can even export it to PDF. You can even export this text to the PDF and then you send it directly. Or you can just enter this feature and then it's going to send this whole thing to the customer directly. You understand? So another important feature is the value added tax summary report. The system automatically calculates and generates summaries that makes the tax preparation much easier. These include the calculation errors, and saves valuable time. So when you go to the value added tax summary, you can see that July 2026, um these are the invoices that have been gone through. So you can see that we have only one invoice right here. So you can see that there's a taxable sale, the NHIL, the get fund levy, and then the value added tax, which grosses up to 14,400. So we can say that the summary for July 2026 was 14,400 Ghana cedis. This application provides a very user-friendly interface that allows um, limited people with limited computer experience to actually be able to navigate this. That is why GRA-Invoicepro is actually a good option if you are running a small business.
Now, talk about why businesses should choose InvoicePro. First, InvoicePro Gh saves time. Tasks that normally takes hours can be completed in just a few minutes. Secondly, it improves professionalism. Sending customers well-designed invoices creates a positive image for the business and builds customer confidence. Third, it reduces financial losses. Business can easily identify unpaid invoices and follow up before payments become overdue. Fourth, it simplifies tax reporting. Since VAT calculators are automated, business owners spend less time preparing reports and are less likely to make mistakes. Finally, InvoicePro Gh helps businesses become more organized, more productive, and more profitable. Instead of spending valuable time on paperwork, you can focus on growing your business while InvoicePro Gh handles your invoicing and payments tracking. InvoicePro Gh is more than just an invoicing application. It is a business management partner that improves efficiency, reduces errors, and supports business growth. In conclusion, InvoicePro Gh provides an effective solution for managing invoices, tracking receivables, sending payment reminders, and generating VAT summaries. It addresses real challenges faced by many small businesses in Ghana and offers a practical, reliable, and user-friendly solution. Thank you very much for your attention.